Are you okay?
Good job. See, now you're good. You're good. Okay, you're good. See?
Oh my gosh, look, you've got it. Get it.
We have plant-like plankton and animal-like plankton. So.
No, don't let go.
Yeah. Oh. Do you want me to do it? Ew, it's so
Spit on him.
You're almost asking them to take it.
Oh, you got
Put all the dirty, we're gonna cut it out. Oh, rat!
Get close. Oh, no.
You're alright. It's okay.
Eat up, big boy. Come on with the broken rib. Whoa! Be nice, Mr. Lewis.
I see his little eyeball right in between the two leaves. He's scared. Oh, shit!
There. Look, Trevor.
Reed, stop. Whoa.